Tippy here, backstage live on the set of Knuffle Bunny. My name is Tippy, and I'm the biggest fan of Trixie Stein from Knuffle Bunny. And right now, I am so lucky to be backstage with some of the stars of Knuffle Bunny. Over here, I have Miss Mary Ryan. Mary, you want to be in a video?
Okay.
Come on over here, Mary. This is Mary Ryan, and she's the star of Knuffle Bunny. She is playing the role of Mother.
Hi.
Mary, tell the folks at home what your favorite part of Knuffle Bunny is, Mary.
The whole thing's great.
She loves it. She loves it. And now, hey, can you come over here for a second, please? This is Shara Morales, right?
Yeah.
And she's a head puppeteer. Can you tell us, have you ever been a puppeteer before, Sarah? Shara?
No,
Why not?
because I hate puppets.
Interesting. Signing off. This is Tippy. And guess what? I love Knuffle.